2024 Audi S8. The 2024 Audi S8 handles curves like a much smaller sports sedan. Based on the A8 luxury sedan, the S8 ups the ante with three performance features such as rear wheel steering and a torque factoring rear differential to achieve handling heroics. On top of all that, it swaps the A8 V6 for a twin-turbo V8 with 563 horsepower. The roomy cabin is ideal for relaxing while covering long distance, so you get the best of both worlds. Like the regular A8 sedan, the S8 gains an app-based remote start feature for 2024 as well as a new suite of apps designed to improve access to entertainment and navigation. Otherwise, the S8 is unchanged for the 2024 model year. That six-figure starting price is steep, but the S8 comes well equipped even by luxury car standards. We had suggest the Comfort Plus package as it adds heated rear seats, a leather-wrapped dashboard, a heat-up display, and fancier LED headlamps. The executive package is also appealing and comes with blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control with lane keeping assist, and 21-inch wheels. The S8's sole engine choice is a potent one, a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine making 563 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. All-wheel drive is standard and the transmission is an 8-speed automatic. Audi claims a top speed of 155 mph, and there are fuel-saving systems too, including cylinder deactivation and a mild hybrid setup with a small electric motor and battery. At our test track, the S8 blazed to 60 mph in just 3.2 seconds.